Hey class, we're going to go ahead and start our part 2 of converting or changing an improper fraction into a mixed number. This is example 1. We're going to go ahead and get an example 2 and example 3. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Alright, example 2. Example 2 will be 17 over 3. Okay, we need to remember that this is the same thing as 17 divided by 3. Okay, 17 divided by 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our method, right? Divide, right? So 17 is getting rained on. Where does it want to go? Inside, right? It wants to go inside. So 17, the inside. 3 is the crazy one. They want to go outside, right? All right, now, 3 won't go into 1. We know that. How many times will 3 go into 15? 5, right? So 3 times 5. 3 times 5, we get 15. 17 minus 15, we end up with 2. Okay, now, again, we could turn this into a decimal, right? We could turn, but we don't want to do that because, again, the whole purpose of this is because what ends up happening is if you're taking a test or something, you end up with 17 over 3 as your answer, but that's none of the answer choices, right? So you got to convert this into a mixed number, right? And so the way we're doing that is, remember, we call the 5 our whole number, giant capital 5, right? Actually, write this. And so we call this one down here our numerator, which goes in the numerator. And this 3 is our denominator. So we end up converting or changing 17 over 3 into the same valued number, 5 and 2/3. Okay, we converted 17 over 3, the improper fraction, into the mixed number 5 and 2/3. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our final example. Make sure you have this written down. Okay. All right, our final example. Eight over 7. Okay, 8/7 or 8 over 7. We got to remember that this is the same thing as 8 divided by 7. Okay, 8 divided by 7. Okay, same idea here. 8 is getting rained on. Where does it want to go? Inside. 7 on the out. 7's crazy, right? Now, how many times will 7 go into 8? 1 time, right? 7 times 1, we get 7. 8 minus 7, we get 1. Actually, let me erase some of this. So, we end up getting, remember, this is our whole number, capital 1, right? Not like the credit card or nothing, right? But capital 1. And so this one is our numerator, right? And this 7 is our denominator. So we end up with the improper fraction converting or changing into 1 and 1/7, the mixed number 1 and 1/7. Okay, so again, this skill comes useful whenever we're talking about answer choices, and we end up with this, and actually the number that the answer was actually 1 and 1/7. Okay, because that happens all the time, and so that's when sometimes we'll need it, and sometimes we won't. But this is just a skill you'll need whenever you're taking a test or trying to figure out what's another possible answer choice. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching.